giveaway because the winner of the first one in my previous yarn giveaway video hasn't come forward. So I'm going to totally start this yarn giveaway all over again. If you saw in one of my previous videos, I did a yarn stash video and I sorted all my yarn stash out, and I've got lots and lots of lovely yarn to give away. I am really lucky that I blog for Thomas Ramsden. They're the company that makes Robin, Wendy, Peter Pan. They distribute Erica Knight as well. So I've got lots and lots of lovely Thomas Ramsden brand yarns to give away. Now, to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. There should be a little thing in the corner here so you can subscribe. If you like this video, leave a comment below in the comments box. If you're looking at this on your phone, if you scroll right to the bottom of the page past the other video suggestions, there's a box for comments, so just leave your comment below. I'm gonna leave this open until next Tuesday, and I will draw the winner on Tuesday. But let's get on and see what lovely yarn you could possibly win again for the second time. So I think there's like 16 balls. I did count them, but I can't remember that. So I have 2 skeins of Wendy Purity, one in this gorgeous coral colour, one in this lovely cream colour. Now this yarn is, I think it's acrylic, oh, 30% wool, 70% cotton. So it is beautiful. So that's some Wendy Purity. Then there is 2 balls of Aurora to give away. This stuff is so soft, it is gorgeous, and it is lovely autumn colours actually. So if you want something for your yarn stash for the autumn, this may be the one. I have 2 lots of Robin Firecracker, which is super soft. All this yarn is really soft. 10mm hook, it is quite chunky. So 2 of those. Then, sorry, I'm reaching across here, I'm not very professional. Then I have 3 of these paint box splashes to give away. These are lovely, they're really good for making slippers with, if you can see me over them. Yeah, paint box splash, 3 of those. Then I have 4, these on Thomas Ramsden's, these are Sirdar. 4 of these Montanas. And I also have, now this is my favourite that I don't want to give away, and somebody hasn't claimed it, so the next person who wins better claim, otherwise I'm keeping this. Robin Chunky, gorgeous cerise colour, shade 146, really nice chunky yarn. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my YouTube channel, either in the corner below, or if you go to the main channel page, you can subscribe on there. Like this video, leave a comment right down in the comments box. So I said, if you're on your phone, scroll right down to the bottom, there is a box there. For a double chance of winning, if you head over to my Instagram page, I will pop the link here, and I will also pop it in the description box, and like and comment on the picture that I'm going to pop up for the competition, for the yarn giveaway, then you will also have an extra chance of winning. So hopefully this time I will be able to give away my yarn stash. Oh, I forgot about this one. There's a phoenix, there you go, little bonus one. So like, subscribe and comment to be in with a chance of winning, and I will get it posted to you as soon as. I will do the draw next Tuesday. So we are in the UK, so it'll be probably around 6 p.m. I did also forget to add Alexandra's Blonde, that's what it is. This draw is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, feel free to enter and I will get it posted out to you. Fingers crossed, and good luck. Pop your name down below in the description bar, like and subscribe, and I will speak to you all next week. Bye!